Why suffering? Everything is energy. Energy is everything. Everything in this world is vibrating. This is what Einstein said. And as a energy conservation theory, energy neither can be created nor be destroyed, but can be transformed or transferred into another form. This is very fundamental principle in life to understand it. This body and mind and our thoughts and actions are nothing but just an energy. So the fundamental reasons for the suffering are due to the energies. Either it is surplus or deficient or stagnant, right? It's blocked. If there is, so the in general the energy flows. When the energy get intensified, then it becomes a mass over the period of time. So the modern physics also, it talks about the energy conservation theory into a mass energy conservation theory. So when there is a mass equally converted into energy and the intensified energy equally converted into the mass, there is no loss in it. Okay. So what it means is what kind of a food we eat, okay, what we drink, what we listen, what we see, what we give importance, everything has been converted into an energy form. Very simple, very simple. Anything you take or you give, all are converted into an energy form. You eat whatever you want. All this, it is a mass matters converted into energy, right? And again, it will be the intensified as a physical energy or it is a mental energy, but everything is an energy. Okay, there is no difference about it. But with that energy, so when there is a energy surplus where it is more than it is needed, sometimes it gets stored for future use. But not energy, not all energy are it is a saved. You cannot. That's where sometimes it is a the overspike it happens. Okay, and sometimes it is a kind of a deficiency happens. It may be vitamins, minerals, similar to that. When our energy get drained, if you see in the morning, after the rest, good sleep, you feel energetic in the morning. You have a light breakfast and have a water, that is good enough. So you feel energetic when you talk, when you see, and when you make a decisions. That's all very, very rational. Okay, with the rational decisions, if you started seeing, if you are afternoon or in the late evening, what it happens is the energy started draining. Feel the tiredness. One is physically and also mentally. The brain has been so many energy, the electric signal has been passing. One is throughout the body it is happening, right? All the sensors has been passing signal to the brain, and also to we started thinking our personal or professional work related things, which is causing so much of energy consumptions. So obviously what happens if there is a car engine which is keep on running 24 by 7 more than what it has to be, automatically the engine heats up. There will be a cooling system. But even that cooling system, if we are not allowing that cooling system getting drained, okay, so what happens? So engine started cease. It cannot perform. So similar analogy, when our energy is getting overused, overly consumed, or it started draining, we need to give a few minutes or an hour, depends on the body and mind it needs to rejuvenate. Okay. So give that cooling system, cooling period, cooling time. Allow the body and mind to in a rest. Very simple 3 minutes or 5 minutes of deep breathing will also help. Close the eyes and relax the shoulder, put the shoulder down and do what. That also helps. So the mental challenges also happens as with the energy surplus of the energy, which is not allowing to rationally think, or deficiency of the energy in the brain also makes the people to behave differently. the book called The Brain, he talks about all the psychological issues, depression, anxiety, or mental issues, whatever we call it as. All it happens because of this energy is not functioning properly. So the type of food, the the informations what we consume, how do we allow this body and mind to rest and self heal it? So energy has to be balanced and transformed into a constructive way and progressive way. So to progress better, this energy has to channelized. So that's why even yoga, meditation, or physical movements, you don't need to do always exercise or it is challenging asanas or yoga asanas poses. No, that doesn't mean that. So your body needs movements so that the energy circulations happens within the body, either the blood circulation, the heat circulation, air circulation, and the energy circulations, the life energy circulations throughout the body. If it is functioning, if there is a blockages are cleansed, removed over the period of time, then automatically you feel the happiness in the body. Hope this explains. See you on the next video.